Right, in this question here, I'm going to talk you through how to do trial and improvement. The equation that we're given is x cubed plus 20x equals 71, and we are told that is a solution between 2 and 3. It is important to see that the answer needs to be given to one decimal place. Right, I'm going to start by drawing a table. The table has got 3 columns. X, the equation x cubed plus 20x is equal to 71, and then whether it is too big or too small. To help me, I'm going to use a scientific calculator, and I'm going to put the equation in, starting at 2.5, which is a sensible place to start. I'm going to use brackets on my calculator to tell me what are the values of x that I'm going to change every time. So it's 2.5 cubed plus 20 times, I'm going to use a bracket again because there's another x, 2.5, and that gives me 65.625. So I'm going to write that in my table, and x is 2.5, I get 65.625, which I compare to 71. So it's too small. Because it's too small, I know that my x value must be bigger than 2.5. So I'm going to try 2.6. For 2.6, I can just scroll back and change the two values of x to 2.6. Press equals again. This time it gives me 69.576, which goes in my table here. 69.576. Again, compare it to 71, so it's still too small. My next trial is 2.7. Notice I'm being sensible with my trials here, always working to one decimal place. For 2.7, just scroll back into 2.7, I get 73.683. I'm filling my table here. 683. This time, comparing it to 71 gives me a value that's too big. At this point, I've scored 3 out of 4 marks for finding that it's between 2.6 and 2.7. What I now need to do is give my answer correct to one decimal place, so finding which one it is closer to. To do that, I do 2.65, which I call my decider. So 2.65 will decide whether it's closer to 2.6 or closer to 2.7. 2.65 gives me 71.609625, which is more than 71. Because 2.65 is more than 71, I know that that's too big, therefore 2.7 must be too big, so my answer, correct to one decimal place, is x equals 2.6. Now this is what must go on the answer line, correct to one decimal place, x is 2.6.